Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Velo Labs red light, green light. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. As far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Velo in real time, what the official handles are saying. There was a really interesting post over here that I want to show you guys, but before we get onto this, beyond crypto, the real utility of Velo tokens, a really interesting one. We'll let's see what's happening with the community. We can go on and check out the community news information, and then we can go on and check official handle. This is Javon Marks over here, folks. Look at this. Red light, green light. The synchronicities in Velo could be pointing towards prices soon taking flight. Targets remain from 90 cents to 1.60 plus dollars. From what I understand is this technical over here sees green light over here, and you can see this curve over here, red light, and this is the green light, the green signal over here, and you can see what happens when the price goes green. It flies. Let's hope that Mr. Javon is right and the price eventually goes up. Look at this, support base over here as well. Interesting and unique technicals over here from Mr. Javon. And this is why I would really like to repost this, and I would like this as well because this is a really unique take on technicals, a unique chart. Look at the target over here as well. Interesting one, folks. Okay, what else do we have? This is Chart Nerd, always covering the technicals of Velo 4 hours ago. I see a retest to super trend resistance at 7 cents before heading to 11 cents in the next macro move up. As marked, the wick at 0.013 has the potential to be filled on ascending support. For now, 0.017 remains the key support to hold and invalidate. Folks, I remember in the last video as well that 0.017 is, we said that 0.017 seems like a crucial support level. It has got confluence. Look at this, key support, and then we've got a support here over here as well from this candle, from the trend line, from the candle over here, the wick. So seems interesting. If it rebounds, I do not know what the price is right now, this is 4 hours ago, but if it rebounds over here and it breaks through, then we might see some crucial levels over here. Killing the zero is also possible, but overall the market sentiments, folks, at the moment are a bit negative. It is a bit low. The sentiments are low, so let's hope when it reverses, Velo goes higher, and it indeed wants higher in the long run. But let's hope that it achieves eventually what it wants to achieve, folks. Okay, this is the dark horseman over here. Since the market is bleeding, all the altcoins are down. Velo is still holding above my macro levels. This another technical I wanted to share, a fundamental over here. Where is the? Yeah, this was it. Look at this. The battle for Asia, Velo versus XRP. So look at this. In this battle, Merligin, the trader, I think has a case over here for Velo in Asia, by the way. Look at this. Local partnerships, CP Group, Visa, Lightnet. multi-chain smart contracts, Stellar, BNB, exploding adoption. It is indeed it is indeed on its way to being adopted in Southeast Asia, a lot of regions. At least when we connect the dots, we do not know if indeed it is happening, but a lot of community members are connecting the dots when it comes to Velo, and they hope that eventually these partnerships grow and adoption happens. Look at the cons of XRP over here. Although we all know that XRP can do remarkably well in the long run, and what it wants to achieve, folks, the utility that it wants to provide, it can be really, really huge. But the cons over here in comparison to Velo in Asia, by the way, the battle for Asia, is that XRP is still stuck in legal battles. Number one, this is the biggest con, folks, and it has been for a while now. And this case has really clouded all the positivity, to be honest. But obviously, the XRP price did really well despite these troubles, and in the future as well, if XRP goes on and finally wins and comprehensively completes this case and finishes this case, I mean, it's going to be awesome. But until that point, this remains a small con as well, small or big depending on who you talk to. No smart contracts over here. By the way, we cover Flare Networks. Flare Network is trying to provide smart contracts to all those projects that do not have intrinsic smart contracts, folks. So XRP, Doge, BTC, they are part of those coins, folks. So you can check out Flare Network videos as well. Anyways, losing retail momentum. The XRP is not focusing, Ripple is not focusing as much on retail as it should, and it is totally focusing on enterprises. But it is good in the long run if legit enterprises use it. It use its coin. It can really be used well, folks. It can really grow in the long run. Who wins the Asia remittance race in 2025? According to you guys, let's see what people have posted over here. This seems like an interesting debate over here. Rob repost. Both can exist. It doesn't always have to be a fight for one or the other. Grow up. Asia plus BRICS. Velo. Velo FTW. Okay, bro, Velo is 1 cent and XRP is $2.50. That is 25,000% larger. But in comparison to potential gains, I think Velo has a much better shot in comparison to potential gains. But if XRP goes on to do the insane level of stuff that the proponents give it credit for, it can be huge as well in the future, much more than we can imagine. We're not only talking about trillions. I've even seen posts and researches where they say that these projects are trying to, especially XRP at the moment, trying to disrupt quadrillions. And obviously, Velo, folks, in terms of potential gains, it can be huge. Anyways, let's see what else do we have. Wide open truth. Oops, some big accounts are picking up on what I have been telling you for months that was coming. Velo versus XRP. You ready? Awesome. Mr. Merligen, the trader, has started a really interesting debate between XRP and Velo. Anyways, our friend over here, Kate Thingall, look at this. Always coming up with interesting connections, folks. Great spot by Video Pen Truth. Okay, so shout out to Wide Open Truth over here. Okay, Wide Open Truth. Cool. Velo's chairman, Chachawal Jarwanan, is also chairman of Barrel 8 B8, okay, who are partnered with none other than Bluebic joint venture. Note the implementation of relevant technology comment. Look at this. Okay, let me open this up. Mr. Pochara Aryakarnkul, Chief Executive Officer of Bluebeak Group, PCL, a strategy consultation and end-to-end digital transformation firm, said that the joining of two leading companies in digital transformation, each with unique strengths, will help expand and the potential and capability of both firms. Awesome implementation of relevant technology. The keyword is relevant, folks, and Velo is indeed relevant when it comes to services, when it comes to solutions. Look at this: B8 and BBIK forms joint venture to enter green tech market with a focus on net zero technology. Cool. Board of directors. Awesome. Thingol and these other proponents like Wide Open Truth, they come up with really great connections, folks, to be honest. I really like what they do. Anyways, now let's see what's happening with the official handle. This was the post that I wanted to share with you, folks. Look at this. The Velo token is more than just a digital asset. It is the core utility token driving the Velo ecosystem. This is coming from the official handle, by the way, that Velo token is much more than just a digital asset. It is going to be utilized. People often say that they might be providing use case without using the token, but the token is going to be utilized in the infrastructure, and this is what differentiates this project from the other ones, folks. Enabling efficient cross-border payments, staking, and digital credit issuance, collateral for secure transactions, used to back global remittances, ensuring fast and low-cost transfers. So they've pointed out what the token is going to be used for. So it's in front of you, folks. Over here, you can see that collateral for secure transactions, staking and rewards. Users can stake Velo to earn network rewards and lower transaction fees. Also important for the security of the network. Digital credit issuance, a blockchain-based solution that provides liquidity to users without traditional banking access. Real-world payments accepted at select merchants, enabling users to pay for everyday goods and services. Awesome. Web3 Plus innovation. It drives DeFi, RWA tokenization, and PayFi adoption. Awesome, folks. Blockchain-based payments are projected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2025. Imagine if Velo disrupts or even a small chunk of this $1.5 trillion. Imagine the possibilities, folks. Obviously, it's going to be taking time because we are still in the speculative phase in this industry, the hype phase. In the future, if this industry is to increase the credibility, if it wants to legitimize itself, it will certainly need to go for mass adoption, go for utility projects, because this is what can bring legitimacy to the space, folks. Okay, look at this. As McKinsey reports increasing adoption of digital finance. Awesome. That's it, fam. Show them. A really interesting read, to be honest. Let me open this up as well. This one seems interesting. Let's see the report over here. We can just skim it out. We're just going to be looking at page not found. Okay. So I do not know where the page is. You can verify it. That's it, fam. Show them. This is also a really interesting post over here, folks. The global financial shift, blockchain, PayFi, and RWA tokenization. Look at this. Velo is at the forefront of this transformation, operating as a blockchain-powered PayFi network that combines seamless cross-border payments, RWA tokenization, bridging TradeFi and DeFi. Why does it matter now? The BRICS bloc is accelerating for efforts, and BRICS is obviously going to be a key stakeholder in the global financial system, and maneuvering from the region where Velo is trying to consolidate its roots, it can be huge. JP Morgan recently settled the first tokenized asset transaction on its Onyx blockchain. Central banks worldwide are testing stablecoins for cross-border remittances, proving that blockchain is becoming a necessary financial infrastructure. By the way, folks, this also can be a really good idea for the title, a necessary financial infrastructure. This, yeah, red light, green light, or unnecessary financial infrastructure. Let's see which goes. Anyways, what do you guys think about Velo? Do you think it indeed is a necessary financial infrastructure? Can it change the game of finance? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.